So when I look at assets and I look at charts, I think context is very, very important. You know, a lot of people, they'll look at this chart in terms of Shiba Inu and they'll think that, oh yeah, this is just an asset that's bleeding away and dying and not looking good. And people need to understand that there are outside factors that influence what crypto does. It's the reason why BTC has gone on, some corrections here. Yes, it's not as dramatic because BTC has a lot more liquidity. It's a larger asset. It's been around longer. It's not going to move as quickly as Shiba Inu has. Obviously, we know that Shib right now, at the time of filming this video, is down about 69% from this local high here. All right. And there are reasons why this has happened. Yes, we had a nice climb into the start of the bull market cycle. We had a nice surge when retail got excited, but recently retail has not been that excited about crypto. And there are reasons why. And I took the time to lay this out. I hope you guys appreciate this, but I want to take you guys through all this. When Shib went on this massive surge, we needed a cool down anyways. We started correcting, coming down, and then we had our new all-time high correction in terms of BTC. Then we started to climb back, showing a little signs of recovery. Then we had our manufacturing boom. So what we got was actually some data that US manufacturing wasn't really slowing down, meaning that people were not slowing down their spending. Not really a great sign for our economic recovery that we've been trying to basically get into. Then, even though we retraced and started bouncing back here, we had our Iran-Israel conflict, all right? So this took place back in April. For those that don't remember what happened, most alts bled 20+% in back-to-back days. It was a brutal couple days for the market. And then we actually surged back. We had a nice spike in terms of Shib. We showed some good resilience. We started climbing, new trend. Actually, BTC in the overall crypto market, actually massive inverse head and shoulders, started climbing, going back and trying to test our all-time high levels, right? And then we had our BTC double top, which sent us in an overall market correction back to the downside. Then we dealt with, economy concerns, the crypto summer in general is kind of a lull. So not great times at all. And then lo and behold, Germany, Mt. Gox selling, right? We know what happened on July 4th and July 5th. It sucked, but Shib actually had a nice bounce back after that massive surge. We can actually see BTC starting to correct and move to the upside as well. And then lo and behold, had a massive stock sell-off. Excuse me. BTC corrected along with this, right? And then we basically struggled to set new highs here. We dealt with a couple other things in between here. We dealt with the Iran versus Israel conflict V2 just a couple days ago. Ice cold jobs report, concerns of recession, right? Guys, you need to understand that Shib isn't doing this on its own. It's not like Shib is just falling just to fall. It's not like people are losing interest in Shiba Inu because last time I checked, these metrics are still extremely high for Shib, still has massive optics, still being accumulated behind the scenes, still having all this supply removed from exchanges. So the good fundamentals are there. The problem is there's so much going on in the world right now that is impacting crypto in such a negative way that we haven't been able to get that outside excitement yet. Right now, guys, a lot of people are concerned. A lot of people are concerned about recession. A lot of people are concerned about war. And sometimes it takes a little time for this to cool down. All right. We have to wait and see if we're going to have enough of a cool down time for us to take some steps to the upside. I want everybody to remember back here, right? When we had that initial Iran versus Israel conflict, look how long it take for us to really start making some moves again. This was a couple months here. Yeah, a month and a half before things really started to get exciting again. Now, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen back here. We've kind of had another period where stuff is just kind of compounded on top of each other. And what you need to know is that this will end. All right. These sorts of negative things, they don't last forever. There will come a point where the economy gets better. There will come a point where this conflict that's going on abroad calms down or impacts the market less. There will come a point where crypto as a whole will begin to run again. Outside excitement, huge discounts like we're experiencing right now, these will be just a distant memory. All right. So that's what I wanted to share with everyone. No, Shib is not doing this alone. It's following what the broader crypto market's doing. And because it's a newer asset, because it's new to being a blue chip, it's going to move faster. It's going to be more influenced by sentiment in the market. And unfortunately, right now, the sentiment hasn't been that great. But guess what? It gets better. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but appreciate you guys. Catch you in the next one. Take care.